Okay, so we just watched the video on natural bridge caverns, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to do something different today. What we're going to do is a quiet activity. So that means you're not going to do what?
Talk.
You're not going to be talking. So what I have is, if you look around the room, such as here, there's one here on the desk. There's some up on the walls. There's some on desk here. Okay, there are pictures from the Natural Bridge Caverns from my field trip. And what you're going to do is you're going to go up and look at the picture, and you're going to make a comment or ask a question about that picture. So maybe it makes you think of something interesting. Maybe, oh, this looks like whatever. Or, oh, that makes me think of whatever. Or some people, you can actually look at what some other people have written. Maybe you have a really good question that comes from looking at that picture. Okay, so you're going to be up and walking around. Notice it's mostly on the outside of the room. You're going to quietly, what does that mean?
Quiet.
Quietly, no talking. Look at those pictures and make comments. You don't have to make comments at every picture. You can agree with somebody who has already written on the picture. You can make a comment to someone else. But again, this is a quiet activity. Okay, there's a picture here, there's two up here, and several around the room. So I will be videoing you guys as you do this. So go ahead and get up, take your marker, that's the only thing you should need, and get to the picture of your choice. You're gonna need it in a minute. Shh. Shh. So again, you're writing a comment, a question, something it makes you think about, any of those type of things. Okay, not everybody at the same picture. We shouldn't need a ruler at this point. So again, you're not required to visit every picture, but at least pick 5 or so. Write something down once you've done that. If you want to have a seat, we'll get started with the next part of our activity. Okay, if you'll finish up at whatever poster you're at now, and then take a seat. We're gonna share some thoughts, and then we're gonna get started with what we're doing that is related to this. Okay, so does anybody want to share something they wrote on a picture? Tell us which picture and what they might have written.
Okay, not to seem like ugly or anything, but I think that picture right there, to me, looked like it was throughout paint or something.
All right, that's cool.
That one, the cabinets looks like it's like dripping
It looks like it's dripping.
some type of liquid.
Yeah, and you're actually going to see some of that in your activity today.
Looks like lava.
This looks like lava. Yeah, did anybody else think that this one looked like it was wet? Like it doesn't
Yeah.
look
thought it looked
kind of
like-
like some of the other ones?
Slimy, gooey.
Look like soap? Yeah, slimy, gooey, right?
I said that one looked like an explosion.
That one looked like an explosion. So these are just a few of the pictures that I took on my trip. What you're gonna do now is actually get the activity. So I'm gonna pass that out and then we're gonna talk about it.